Yo, what's up? This is Muerte. I'm here with my brand new sample pack, Muerte's Dark Arts of Dubstep. We're gonna be making a drop today with the sample pack, so let's dive right in.
Find a kick sample. I like this one. I'm gonna turn a G clip on. Maybe get this pumping a little more. All right, we'll do a clap. We'll do 9. Get some reverb going. Nice easy little drum groove. There's also pre-made drum loops if you don't want to build it yourself. Got some loops here. So those are already good to go, but we're going to go ahead and build our own. I like putting some rides on top as well. Maybe this one, nice and airy. Cool. Copy that over. I'm going to delay the hats a little bit, the percussion from the kick and the clap. We're gonna now bring in a sub from here. I like this one, a lot of crunch on that. We can keep this low pass EQ. Maybe a little bit of a nice pitch bend we can add in for some added movement if we want. That's probably too much. And then we can just have the regular one after that. Nice. I'm gonna sidechain in utility because I don't have any of my other installed, so we're doing a nice little utility install. Or utility sidechain, not utility install. Classic. All right, well that's easy enough. All right, we'll do a little fake out. Can use some. I like this little moment here. So maybe we can use that fake out, use one of these loops, and then add something else on top of that. I'm gonna get rid of the sub on that. There we go. Okay, where were we? Let's. Nice tonal sound there. That'll be good. We can create a little motif on top of this. Right. Nice. Maybe we can half time this, make it a little shorter, and fade off these edges and do a little ba 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 ba. Let's see how that works. Pretty sick. Put a little reverb. I put in a lot of these sort of tonal basses in the pack because they're just so easy to use for creating like nice, catchy bass lines. Sweet. There we go. Okay, vocal time. We'll go through some of these vocals. Oh, I like this one. Could have this little pre-drop saying blood. Nice. Sweet. Need to sort of start off this fake out a little nicer. Flush that out. There we go. And I'm gonna use some different sounds here just to make it a little nicer. Maybe we can throw something like this here. All right, and maybe we'll do one more layer there. Maybe one that sweeps in. That'll be a nice little transition. We can cut the tail off of this, make it a little snappier to match everything else there. Nice little fake out going. Now we can hit him with the heavier. Throw some shots on to that sub that we got going. Maybe what about these first ones? That's a fun one. Let's use that one maybe. And we can find a melodic one for the layers, for a higher layer. So we used this one already. Let's try this one. All right. I'm gonna take this one step at a time. Gonna make sure this is matching. Okay. We're getting somewhere for sure. Let's add in those sort of more melodic top layers. I'm gonna add in some EQ on this as well. Nice. I'm gonna have this reverb come up a bit for these ones, just to give a little more emphasis on that space. A little bit on the decay as well, bring it up. Nice. That's sounding super sick, super sick. This is how we do it. This is how we dubstep. It can be this easy. Drag and drop, plug and play. That's all it needs to be. And then we can follow that little motif we did in the pre-drop, or in the drop fake out, I mean. So let's copy that. Bum, 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 bum. Down. Beautiful. And then maybe we can pitch this sort of interesting. So we sort of get both those, that up one semitone and down one in the same clip without having to like half time it or chop it up. I'll bring this one down and match that. Sweet. And then we'll do the same with our sub. Make sure we're keeping our sub in key with the basses there. That's a solid idea. Instant magic. We're going to take the bass group and we're going to delay it. Boom. And now this probably sounds 1,000 times better. Yep. Literally that easy. That's the magic sauce to everything. We can keep this going. Let's maybe get another, let's put in some of the other nice stuff. This pack, I put in a lot of nice little cinematic shots. Since I do a lot of cinematic, music work, I wanted to have some of these nice classic dissonant strings, and those are fun to just sort of pepper in to the song wherever you want. So that sounds nice right there with the pre-drop vocal. And then let's maybe have another sort of string element. Maybe we can have this one sort of sweep in to the drop here, and we can throw some reverb on it. It'll act as a nice little transition. Easy. Let's keep it going. We can just start adding in more elements. Maybe there's some, I got this extra folder and it's got some weird sort of, this is actually like a piano scrape, like taking a coin on a piano string and doing that. It's recorded live. That was pretty fun. Some of these voices pretty creepy. Maybe we can take this as well. We can plug this into the little fake out right here. Nice. Just going through. Just find something we like. That's another piano scrape thing there. So maybe we can just add it in somewhere. I'm sure there's a spot for it. Let's find out. Maybe towards the end of this little bar. Nice. Maybe we could just keep it going. That's pretty fun. And we could put this on that little last note. Since that's already the correct key, it's already the correct note, let's just throw it on there. Let's just throw it on there and it'll match the bass there. Then we could bring it up so it goes dun dun boom. Nice. Easy. Alright, I'm gonna duplicate our drums over, and then we can keep this pattern going. I'm just gonna duplicate the whole thing over, and then let's start adding in maybe a little more complexity here. We can go ba-ba-ba-bum. We just gotta do it right. So I'm gonna shorten these clips down so we get more of that. Okay. Same with this one. Nice. Maybe shorten these even more. Fade them off a bit. Nice. That's fun. That's real fun. We can sort of keep it going here. Maybe another nice little. Hell yeah. Okay, we gotta shorten these again. Make sure this is nice and listenable and followable and digestible as a nice little complex fast flow thing. And then maybe for the end of this phrase we can switch up this little melody line that we got going, and we can go bum 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 bum, something like that. Yeah, we do up 3 and then 1. So let's do that the same with the sub. We're gonna pitch it up. Boom. I'm gonna pitch this up 1. Let's see how that. Oh, we're cooking. This shit is so fun, I swear. Oh boy, that is insane. I might release this. I might just go ahead and release this already. This is coming out tomorrow. What else we got in here? We got some cool little music loops. We could probably find a nice loop to throw on top of everything else. Give a bit more of a vibe there as well. Got some piano ones. We got some synth ones. Got this weird little creepy arpeggio thing here. So why don't we maybe throw this in? Maybe we can make this fit for the second half. I wonder. I think perhaps we could. I'm gonna put an LFO tool on this and sort of have this follow the bass line. Just put a quarter note pattern on it. Maybe if we just double the length of it. Nice. Oh, I like that. Okay. And I think that pretty much does her. Well, that's pretty sick. I should have made this one of the track demos, man, or it's one of the pack demos. This is fucking awesome. Is there anything else I can add maybe? I mean, I think we're pretty good here. That was pretty sick.